Just taking deep breaths, connecting in with Mother Gaia, connecting in with the land, connecting in with ourselves, our bodies after a long, revitalizing day. So much action, so much healing.
Yes.
So much wisdom being shared between everybody. So much medicine being shared between everybody. So much love, so much respect, so much honor. I want to start off with the awakening as we are nearing the end of a cycle, remembering all the work that we've done to connect deeper with our inner truth, to connect deeper with one another, to connect deeper with God's source. We've been working so hard. And now let us gently, like a feather, flowing like the divine feminine, may we rest in a sacred stillness, in a sacred silence just for these few moments while we listen to the heart of Gaia through the drum, as I lead you through a journey of connecting with the heart, and then we connect with the spirit and the essence when I play the singing bowls.